Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Standing behind me is another one, another G63 with a complete Brabus B700 build. Wide star body kit, lowered adjustable suspension, all the exposed carbon fiber goodies. This one belongs to a good friend of ours, Soda Jack. We appreciate you and the support, brother. This one is different from all the other G-Wagons, and the reason it's different is we incorporated white accents, and it's the first time we've done a G63, a Brabus edition with white accents. We've done a lot of red, we've done a lot of cool, interesting pops of color. We had never explored white. It was Jack's idea to incorporate white into it, and I think it was a hit. You know, you guys watch for yourselves and see what you guys think, but we added some white accents here and there. Naturally, the white accent stripes on the front grille. We added the white accent on the front Brabus B, the little base of the hood scoop in white. We also did black brake calipers with white outlines. We incorporated the 700 logos in white here. We incorporated the white illuminated side piece that goes on the front fender flare, exposed carbon roof spoiler, exposed carbon hood scoop, exposed carbon grill bezel, but super clean looking truck. The special feature on this particular truck that I love a lot and is different is the new 24-inch Brabus monoblock wheels. This is a forged new version monoblock in a 24-inch. It's a platinum edition wheel. It's called the ZV. So this is a brand new wheel, 24-inch, staggered again, 295 30-24 front tire, 355 25-24 rear tire. It's on the Vertstein Ultra Track tires, which are amazing tires. Stance looks proper. Literally, especially in LA, you got a G63 and you ain't running a Wide Star kit, you ain't doing it. Big difference on the wheel is the center cap doesn't expose the lugs. So it's a full face center cap and it screws on there and it covers the lug bolts. So you don't see the bolts exposed anymore. That kind of cleans up the wheel. It's 20 spokes versus the regular 24-inch Brabus wheel, which is a 10 spoke. So more spokes, brushed accents with gloss black windows and inners. Super clean build. Congratulations, Jack, on the whip. Shit looks crazy, looks killer. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.